Good morning, students. Today we will going to read another new poem, that is Don't Be Afraid of the Dark, and it is written by Ruskin Bond. Okay, so if you search about Ruskin Bond, he is a very well-known poet, okay, and very well-known writer also. He lives in he was born and brought up in India, okay, so he is still alive, Ruskin Bond. So please go and watch and know something about Ruskin Bond. He is very good person. Okay, so today we will read one of his famous poem, Don't Be Afraid of the Dark. Okay, so let's start. Don't be afraid of the dark, little one. The earth must rest when the day is done. The sun must be harsh, but moonlight never. And those stars will be shining forever and ever. The babies or the children, or we also sometimes get afraid of the dark, right? Got afraid of the dark, got scared about darkness in the night. We when we feel like bhuta jayega type feeling, okay, we scared of ghost. But what the poet here is saying, that don't be afraid of the dark, little one. So he is telling to us that don't never afraid of the dark, that earth must rest when the day is done. So the full day is very much hard working, right? In the day we go to office, we go to school, we go to any other work, we go to marketing, we go to all of this we done in the daytime, right? So in the daytime the earth is very busy, the earth is very busy with the sunlight, okay. So when the day is over, at the night, as we take rest, as we sleep at the night, similarly the earth must take rest. If earth must not take rest, it will got tired in the next day, right? So if the earth is tired, so how will we work on the next day? How will we go to school? How will we do our homeworks? How will we go to office and schools and everywhere? So earth must take rest, okay. So as we take rest at the night, earth must take rest at the night also. The sun must be harsh, but moonlight never, and those stars will be shining forever and ever. So the sun must be harsh when the sunlight, the sun ray is coming very strongly. We always sweat and we are very tired of everything. We sweat. There is very hot in outside there. Okay, so but the moon is very soft, and the moonlight and the stars are never harsh. They are never so strong. They are very sweet, very soft, and a subtle light is coming through the moon, okay. So but the moon is also lit by sun, okay. That the moon has not his own light. Moon is also lit up by the sun. Be friends with the night, there is nothing to fear. Just let your thoughts travel to friends far and near. By day it does seem that our troubles won't cease, but at night, late at night, the world is at peace. So what the poet is saying, be friend with the night. So as we are friendly with the day, we don't get afraid of the day. Similarly, get friend with the night. Become friend with the night. There is nothing to fear. There is nothing to fear about darkness. As it is the day, there is light, and now the sun is resting, the earth is resting, taking rest. So just like that, we must not fear the night also, okay. Be friend with night. Just let your thoughts travel to friends far and near. So the night is our thought time. In the day we are in so much hurry and so much busy schedule that we don't get time to think about anything, right? So at the night we should think about ourselves, our happiness, our families, okay. The night is very much thoughtful, it is very calm and it is very soft. So you can there is peace inside your mind in the night. No sound of horn, no sound of anything, nothing, no noise is there. So you can think very peacefully, very concentratedly, okay. By day it does not seem that our travels won't cease, but in the daytime we are so in so much hurry that we think that we have so much trouble, so much pressure. Ooh, we have to do homework, we have to go to school, we have to do this, we have to do that. But at night, when we think of ourselves, the problems the problems calm down. Okay, the problems release their pressure, and we are very calm and very smooth and very soft feeling at the night. But at night, late at night, the world is at peace. When at the day the world is so much in hurry, with the buses, with the trucks, with the motorcycles and everything, the horn, the sound, the choral, everything. But at the late night, at the midnight, when the sun is not there, when there is no one, everyone is sleeping, then the earth calms down, the earth is at peace. At the late night, there is no sound and the earth takes rest. It is full of peace. Now it is time for the earth to taking rest. Yes. Okay, so it is very cute and very easy poem. You have to prepare this with the poet's name. Remember that. Now, what is the poem about? The poem is about, the poem is telling about not to afraid of the dark. It is just a part of our life. Just at the day the sun rises, at the night the moon rises. What happens when the day is over? It comes night. After the day is over, and the moon goes up, and it is the night is the time when we think about ourselves. What does the earth do when the day is over? The earth takes rest when the day is over. So the poet tells the child to afraid when it is dark. No, the poet is not telling the child to get afraid when it is dark, but he tells the child to be friend with the night. The poet says that stars will always shine at night. He says that yes, the stars always shine at night. The poet tells the child to think of friends after it is dark. Yes, of course, when we should think about our friends, our friendships at night. Yes, it is true, right? So there is some word building in the chapter, like moon plus light, moonlight. Moonlight means the light of the moon. Good night. Okay, these are some kind of joint words. Waterfall, breakfast, daybreak, rainbow, and there is two words and they are joining together making one single word. Okay, so so there are some opposite meanings also in this chapter, like war, war's opposite meaning is peace. Light, light's opposite meaning is dark. Enemies, the opposite meaning is friends. Night, day. Gentle, harsh. Start, end. Okay, these all are the opposite meanings, and all this is a very easy poem. Do the work, do the homework and the exercises that is given in the given here in your homework copies, and read it very carefully, and I will ask you be prepared for that. Okay, so that's all for today. We will meet on the next video. Till then, bye bye.